Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel today, and it's Forex Buddy right here. So today I just want to talk about what I did with gold today. So today is 30th of October 2024. Everybody knows that gold has been, having this bullish run, and of course it is just the best thing. Something that I have learned over the years or over the months that I've been trading is that never, ever, ever, ever go against the trend. If the market is bullish, just make sure you're bullish. Just make sure that every opportunity you're looking for is a bullish opportunity. So today I decided to wait. I saw a lot of people in different groups trying to sell so that they can, sell and then catch some bulls later. So for this trade, so what I had to do is I had to wait before that's some of the things I'm going to share with you. So before now I used to, take my trade around like 8 a.m. New York time, 9 a.m. New York time, 8:30. I'm just always in a hurry. But I've learned that I need to wait, be sure, let all the manipulation, let all the movement happen. So right here you can see that I'm moving um my levels to where it's likely going to come, where the market's likely going to come. If it's going to be pushed down, I'm going to like wait for it to get to either of these levels. So I just try to wait. If it doesn't come there, that's it for that day. So now I'm joining this trend line. So what I do with my trend line is I make sure that I join the first two, not the first outer lines. That's what I do with gold. So I join the first two trend lines together, the first two on the line. So you can see that there is the first rejection, second, third, and the fourth with the arrow. So when I saw the fourth with the arrow, I'm like, okay, so we know that this is a double bottom on my trend line. So I'm just going to wait. If anything happens on that trend line again, I'm just gonna go with it. So I waited. It's like a left shoulder ahead and a right shoulder kind of formation that you're seeing right here. So I waited for it. Immediately I saw it, I was so excited. So I went in. So I kind of put the level, so that's the green level. So it's giving me like 2 3 confirmations that okay, so we are ready to go up. The market has moved, they've pushed it down, it's been manipulated, they've done everything they want to do with it, so it's time for us to go in. So I kind of went in around this level, and that was it. So I just wanted to do like 1 to 2 R&R, or 1 to 3, 1 to 2 really. That's what I do with gold New York session. But fortunately for me, it gave me more than what I expected. And this is what I do every day. If I wait for this opportunity and the opportunity doesn't come, I don't force it. I don't like struggle with it. I just look away. So this is it on my MT5. So so that's how I went in. I went in a lot down there. I don't know how I made the mistake of closing the down ones instead of the upper ones. So I caught it early right there, and then I went in again. At the time I was very scared. I didn't know, like I'm like, okay, should I not? But I was brave enough to go in because I was trading with $115 thereabout, and you can see this is my floating profit. I've closed most of it, so I have about $163 closed today. Yeah, I've tried some things on gold. I had some few losses right there, but at least my $115 was, became 165 profits, and I still have some 163, and I still have some floating, trades right there. So this is what I do every day. So please, I want to ask you guys for something. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notifications so that you can get more of these videos. Thank you.